How about this completely free watermark remover application? This Android application can remove any watermark on any photo you throw at it, whether complicated or simple watermarks. The application goes by the name watermarkremover.io and it really gets the job done. It automatically detects whatever watermark is on it without you having to select the area, and the result is mind-blowing. Seriously, you do not need any final edits to the image after the watermark is removed. The image stays as it is because the watermark removal process is AI powered and you will get your image intact. Again, the app and its services is completely free, so you can try it out. I'm sure you'll love it. So it is a new month, guys, and I've already begun. In this video, I've got 7 incredible Android applications which I'm pretty sure you are going to love to try. They are all very useful tools which you might or might not have heard of, so be sure to drop a like and comment below to let me know if you are enjoying the video. When it comes to saving links from the web, from various apps or other sources all at once, one of the best applications which offers such functionality goes by the name Brace.to. The application also prioritizes your privacy by encrypting your data on the platform, which only you can be able to open. You can save the links to the app by simply sharing it straight to the application, or if you're on a PC, you can just access the web version to save the links. And still on the PC, another way to save a particular web page for later is by adding Brace.to / before the link to the home page you want to save for later. Press enter and this will automatically save the link. You don't sign up with Google accounts or any account for that matter. What you get is a secret encryption key which you have to store privately somewhere, kinda like a password. With this, you cannot be logged out, neither would you lose your data. You can also control access to your data. It is a pretty cool application which you can use to save links for later. Definitely try it out. The next app goes by the name Dina, and this is a weather application with some extra functionality. Currently in my country, we are almost in the rainy season, and because of that, there's a slight downpour inconsistently, and aside getting to know about the weather status in this application, another cool feature in this app is suggesting outfits you might need to wear, whether you need a jacket or not for the day. The application can predict and feed you such information based on the current weather conditions, your physical characteristics, and your personal preferences. Not only do you get outfit recommendations, the application also recommends accessories you will have to grab while stepping out, be it a sunscreen or an umbrella. This extra functionality makes this particular weather application a unique one, not forgetting the nice and clean app UI. I've stuck to this weather application for a while now and I really love it. Most wallpaper applications provide an option to download wallpapers to your phone, which is very cool until you come across a wallpaper application or other wallpaper sources where you can only set the wallpaper but not be able to save it to your phone. This is where this very simple application comes in. It goes by the name Get Current Wallpaper, and the only thing this application can do for you is saving your current wallpaper to your phone. So as I mentioned early on, if you come across a wallpaper source where you can only set it as wallpaper but not download, just go ahead, set it as your wallpaper, then hop onto this application. Just one tap on Retrieve Wallpaper, you have the particular image stored on your phone. You can also save lock screen wallpapers. It's pretty awesome. The next application goes by the name Giga Icon, and this application adds up to Android customization by changing the look and feel of icons on your home screen. Keep in mind, it does not change the icon pack you've set, but rather lets you create a widget with the icons, which you can increase or decrease its size. Once you have the app installed, just open it. You get this beautiful Material You theme with a list of applications on your device. With that, just tap on the icon you will want to make a widget of. Mostly has to be one of your most used applications. Add to home screen and change the size to how you want it. I really love Android customization, and to be able to create custom home screen setups with this large icon widget is something that I'll always give a thumbs up to. So shoutouts to Mirko DiMartino for reaching out and recommending this application to me. I really love this application. Currently, listening to music is always on these various music streaming platforms. Aside streaming, you also have offline music player applications. And one of my favorites of the bunch recently has been Minimalist Music Player. When it comes to minimalism, this music player application has really implemented that. It is just a one-page setup. You can access your folders to play your music from the top section, and the Now Playing is at the bottom. And that is it. All music controls can also be found at the bottom section. One of the coolest icon packs I have on my Android smartphone is called Creamy Icon Pack. Even though they are very big and bold, they are flat and very minimal. The colors are not too saturated, and I love the sharp and straight edges. This pack is one of the unique icon packs you can use. There are over 3,000 icons and it's always being updated, but still some of the apps on my phone are not being covered. Yet still I love how the icons look, and with the right wallpaper, you'll be able to create a very nice and clean home screen setup. As I mentioned, leave a comment and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Also let me know if you've used any of these applications I've mentioned. If you're not familiar with most of them, then consider subscribing to my channel and also leaving a like, since I've introduced some very useful but unfamiliar applications to you. That's it for this video, and as always, thank you for watching.
Thank you.